Hi, I'm back in Penang. In this video and the next few videos, I'm gonna take you around Penang with me and show you my beautiful hometown of Penang, the food of Penang and the places of Penang, and also share with you the culture in my family during Chinese New Year. I'm back here for Chinese New Year for the next 2 weeks.
Okay.
That's mine.
Yes, that's yours.
I got a new bracelet.
This box,
Yes.
you're staying in a condo, right?
Yes.
So once you reach your
Yes.
house, you
Yes.
put in the middle of the
Yes.
house. Position should be this way.
Oh, like that.
The barcode
Barcode.
Facing
up.
Okay.
Okay, so don't put it like this, yeah? It's supposed to be this way. This is the correct way.
Okay.
So on day 5,
Day
you
5.
have to go out to do swab test. No
Yes.
need to bring this black box.
Yes.
Okay.
So after swab test, return home straight away.
Yes.
Don't transit anyway.
Yes.
Or once you reach your house, continue another how many days? 3 more days.
Two more days. 2 more days.
So on
Yeah.
day 8,
Yes.
you can go to the nearest removal location
Yes.
to return this black box and
Yes.
to remove the
Okay.
bracelet.
Day 8 of our home quarantine, we get to go into town to get our e-bracelet removed. It's Freedom Day. Penang style curry meat. My partner had a bowl of Georgetown. How was it? Remember, if you enjoy my videos, to subscribe and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching and see you in my next videos. Bye!